spend some time looking out over the ocean, you might see a few things. You might see some dolphins jumping, and you might see some boats out there that are fishing. But what are those fish and those dolphins doing out there? They're looking for food. The dolphins, they eat fish, but what do the fish eat? Well, we're going to use this special tool to take a closer look at what those fish eat. And most likely, you didn't even know those things were even there. Hi, I'm Jared. Welcome to Fun Science Demos. And we are on location on the sunny beach of Cape May. Behind me, you can see a lighthouse. On this side, you can see a giant body of water that scientists call the Atlantic Ocean. Believe it or not, there is a lot going on in that ocean. And scientists who study what's going on in the ocean are called oceanographers. And they use certain tools to help them take a closer look at what's going on in the ocean. And we're going to look at 3 of those tools right now. Take a look at this tool. What do you think it's used for? It opens and closes because this tool is used to grab stuff at the bottom of the ocean. The next thing that scientists want to look at when it comes to the ocean is how salty the ocean is. All oceans are salty, but scientists want to know how salty the oceans are, and they use this instrument to do that. Finally, we come to the tool that you're going to see in action. A lot of scientists want to take a closer look at the living things in the ocean, and to do that, they're going to use this net. And we're going to use this net to see if we can capture some of those living things and take a closer look at it. It may not look like a net, but I'll drag this around the ocean and capture all kinds of critters in the net and collect them in this bottom plastic tube. Scientists call this a plankton net. And I'm going to take a walk down to the ocean and drag this through the top part of the ocean and then come back here and see what kind of things we actually caught in our plankton net. Now we're going to take a look and see what we found in our plankton net. So take a look at what we found. If you look carefully, you can see all kinds of little critters swimming around. But it's not just critters that's in this water. There's plants and animals that we've pulled out of the ocean. And what's the purpose of those plants and animals? Well, bigger fish eat these things. It's a habitat. So bigger fish actually eat these things. What you're looking at is the bottom part of the food chain, or the food web, in the ocean. So we've dumped everything into a clear plastic cup so you can see everything more clearly. And the things you see swimming around, those are animals, and the things you see in the water that are not swimming, those are plants. And those plants and animals are called plankton. That's why that net is called the plankton net. And the thing to remember about this plankton is that bigger fish eat these, and it's all part of the food web. Something so simple as a plankton net can help you discover things in the ocean that you probably did not even know were in there. We've put a link in our video description so that you can buy your own plankton net. And then you can visit the ocean and see what kind of things you can find in your net. Science is so cool, especially when you can use something simple to discover things that you didn't even know were there. Thanks for watching.